When integrating with Amazon Web Services, you're going to notice some very common configurations across lots and lots of these collections. So I'll show you an example. We have AWS S3 log collection. We can open up this integration, see various release notes. If we click Add New, you're going to see API key, S3 bucket name, and then Lambda configuration, VPC configuration, and advanced settings. You're going to see this a lot of the time. This is because many integrations are actually powered by a Lambda function. This is a very, very cost-effective, a very efficient way of sending data into Coralogix. It's also all done with a few simple clicks. As part of this course, I'm going to go through a few of these so you get a feel for how to use this integration, but it's very, very similar with just some custom configuration. So for example, here I'm looking at S3 log collection, and I can see I have to set the AWS S3 bucket name and the region. The region is automatically populated. As you can see, this is a very common trend amongst our integrations. It will try and automatically populate as much information as possible for you. So yeah, and you can see here that we have like Lambda configuration, so you can set memory and function timeout and things like that. Very important because if you have large volumes of data, obviously that Lambda function may need a little bit more memory, especially if you're shipping big documents. Same with VPC configuration. If you run your Lambdas inside of VPC, you'll need to set the VPC subnet ID and security group ID. And then we have some advanced settings, so you can, for example, look at the activity for only a subsection of the objects that are available in S3. So that's just a very quick rundown of what to expect when you're using the Coralogix Lambda function to ship data into the Coralogix platform. You're going to see those really common, consistent configuration values across many of the integrations. So just familiarize yourself with that, because once you get the hang of actually configuring the Lambda function in the Coralogix UI, which is very simple, and most of the defaults are fine, by the way, then it becomes much easier then just to fill in the blanks for the specific data that the integration needs. Again, for example, AWS S3 log collection, we just need to put in the name of the S3 bucket. Nice and easy.